In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit and withdraw on MetaMask wallet. Before we begin, here's the big picture. When you deposit to MetaMask, you're sending funds from another wallet or exchange into your MetaMask address. On the sending platform, this is usually called a withdrawal because you're withdrawing from there to your own wallet. Start by opening MetaMask either in your browser extension or the mobile app. Make sure you're fully signed in so you can see your account balance and recent activity. This is where your incoming transfer will appear. Next, look at the network picker at the top of MetaMask and choose the correct network for the asset you plan to receive. For example, use Ethereum for ETH and ERC20 tokens, or pick a different supported network like Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, or Arbitrum if your funds are on those chains. Tokens live on specific networks, so matching this correctly is critical. If the networks don't match, your transfer may not arrive where you expect. Now copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking your account name at the top. That copies the address to your clipboard. It typically starts with 0x. For safety, it's a good habit to double check the first and last few characters after you paste it later, just to confirm it hasn't been altered by your device's clipboard tools. Go to the other app or exchange where your funds currently are, open the withdrawal or send screen, and paste your MetaMask address into the recipient field. Then choose the network that exactly matches what you selected in MetaMask. If you're sending USDT, for example, make sure you pick the correct chain variant, like Ethereum or another EVM network, to match MetaMask. Most EVM withdrawals to MetaMask do not require a memo or tag, but always follow the sender's on-screen guidance. If you're unsure, a small test transfer first can save hassle. Review the details and complete the transaction. You'll see a network fee shown by the sending app. Fees vary by chain and congestion. After you submit, it can take anywhere from seconds to several minutes for confirmations to complete. Back in MetaMask, watch the Activity tab for the incoming transaction. If it seems slow, refresh or toggle networks and back again to prompt a balance update. Once the funds arrive, remember you may need a small amount of that network's native token in MetaMask later to swap or move those assets again. If you ever need to withdraw from MetaMask to another wallet or exchange, the flow is essentially the reverse. Match networks, paste the correct recipient address, review fees, and confirm. That's it. You've successfully handled deposits and withdrawals using MetaMask with confidence.